You'll first log into the account at GoDaddy.com with your customer number and the password that I provide you with. You'll then go into your account as so, click on Web Hosting, click on Launch, and you'll be into a new screen where you'll click on File Manager in the top nav bar, which will bring you to where your website's being held. This allows access to your server. You'll scroll down until you see index.html. Only index.html open. Otherwise, you could mess up the site. Then click on Code Editor in the top row of buttons. Click on Edit, and it will bring you to where you can change up your site. You'll then scroll down until you see a wide open space, and then after that wide open space, you'll see where the slider starts. That's the top slider of your website. Whereas this says Michael Briskin, that's that main title on the front page. Then you'll see where the video can be uploaded. You go down to YouTube, and you will select the video you want, take the link, and put it right in this spot, right after where it says SRC, which is short for source. You'll then see right underneath that, Live, which is the title underneath, and then this is where you can change the event in the scroller. And then where it says href, and it says contact, that's where you can link to the ticket page. And you'll see the About section. This is where you can change the About section. You'll put in all your text as you want, and whenever you want a line in between, you have to put 2 of these BRs in the arrows. 2 of those will add a line on the website. You go down to quotes, and then you'll see the quote, the break, 1 break will do it, and then you'll see the Jay Leno where you say where the quote's from, the quoter. And you do that for every single one of them, and you can just change those as you please. Then as far as images go, you'll scroll down. Each image is separated by a comment, and then you'll be able to change the big image by changing this around to whatever the image name is. You'll see where the image goes after this, and then that's for every single one. It's the same thing. The smaller images, the ones that you see first, are the thumb images, which you can change as they are, change the name as they are in the image folder, which I'll show you after. The title is the caption. The captions do have to be short and sweet and to the point. They cannot be long. Unfortunately, that's the way it just has to be. We've tried everything to change that. This is the same process for all 8 images. Then the media section. This first H3 is the title over the big video that holds all the videos that you want to play. And as you scroll down, this is where you link to the big video, the starting video. And this is where the other 4 videos go, right underneath each other right here. This is where the caption is, and that's where the source is. This is where the image is that you want for the video, and it's the same thing for all 4. This is what goes underneath the little video, the little caption. And again, you just source it from YouTube. Make sure it's in the embed link, or it will not work. Then you go to events and upcoming shows. This is right here is the top of upcoming event, and you go into the main event title, and you go into the extra information, again separated by 1 break to move it down a line. This is the same for each one. I've labeled it as so. Make sure you put the breaks in where you want to break in the line. And that's all you need to know for that. You click save, it will save, and then it will bring you back to the screen that you started. To change the images, you go into images, and you go into gallery, then you go into photos for the big, then thumb for the small. You'll then go into delete and delete big1.jpg, and you go to upload, and any file you upload has to be named big1 in JPEG format, and then it will be replaced. If you don't want to use big1, then you have to go back into the code where we showed you before and change it around in where it says the source. And then from there, that's all.